Yeah, 7-Eleven asking for money. What part of the game was that? How big for change?
Salió corriendo, nosotros lo corrimos.
No, he stay in the house. Man, there's too much goddamn well. I want to get hot. Yeah, 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven and
Dile que
I don't know speak English. You don't speak English? Do you want me to translate?
Yeah, you're going to have to. I'm in the house. Smoking. I'm in the house smoking big time. But still, that's nerve-wracking. Look, you got people in the dishes. This is not a carnival show. Yes, it is. And I'm the ringmaster. This is not a carnival show. I'm the ringmaster. Man.